Hello once again, my name is Myra Karn and welcome back to the HTML5 coding tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at a couple of things just to sort of snazz your website up, make it look a little bit better and a little bit more professional than just some text on a monocolor background. The very first thing I'm going to do is change the background from the color to an image. And how you do this is you simply type in the parameter background and make it equal to the image in which your background is. For example, C slash C drive slash my documents, etc., etc. Or instead of doing that, if the image is on the same file as the .html document, you can simply type the name of the file. Remember, if there are any spaces, you do need quotes, so just bear that in mind. For now, I'm just going to use test image 2.jpg. As you can see here, it already looks substantially better. Granted, the image extends way off the side of the screen, but that's something you have to change in the image yourself, not in the coding, although I do believe there may be a way around that. Be 100% sure that the color you are using for your elements contrasts or just shows up well against the background that you choose. For example, don't have lime green text on a medium green background. It might be okay to have dark green as your background and lime green or just very light green because the two contrast each other. Alright, back to the code. How about we add an image to our website, sort of off on the side next to our text. I'm going to put it right in between these two lists here. Make sure not to put it in the lists, otherwise it will screw up the code. And in order to create an image, you simply go create a tag called img, short for image obviously, and space with the parameter of source, src. And after that, you want to go and type in the directory for your image. Mine is just test image1.jpg, and I believe it is case sensitive, so keep that in mind. I'm also going to add in a couple other parameters like align right, and we're back to our website. Well, as you see here, this doesn't look too bad, but it is kind of, well, how should I put this? It's kind of large and generally in the way. Why don't we change that slightly? Next up, you can change height and width. And the way that you can change the size is by typing height and width for formatting parameters. And I am going to type in, say, 200. This is pixels, not like inches or anything like that, so bear that in mind as well. Let's make it to 10 because I do believe it was not a perfect square. As you can see, we now have a fairly decent sized picture of the galaxy on our website, and it has absolutely nothing to do with the website at all, but it just picks an image off of Google Images. Obviously you can put on whatever you want. And there is something very important to notice over here. Although the image is between the two lists, there is not a huge space here because it is aligned to right. So bear that in mind as you are moving objects around left, right, and center. There is one more thing. Say you wanted the image to scale with the resolution of the screen. Well, let's say 20% of the screen by 21% of the screen. As you can see, it is slightly stretched. That is because my screen is wider than it is tall. So obviously you can put in whatever values you want to adjust that accordingly, but just keep in mind that you can do this so that when you zoom in and out, it will sort of scale with the web page. Alright guys, that is all for this time. Please leave a like, comment, maybe a subscription down below if you enjoyed the series or video. I will continue to be doing these as the days go by, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment. I will be very happy to answer them, and if I don't know, I'm sure someone else more capable will. So, thanks for watching, and goodbye.